Hi, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, let me ask you a question. Do you think you can't speak English fluently, but you really want to, and you're looking for a way to fix it? Then you're in the right place, because today I'm going to explain how you can speak English confidently, step by step. All right, so let's start. First of all, remember this. Confidence doesn't come from grammar or big words. It comes from practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. Many people wait to become perfect before they start speaking. But that's wrong. You become perfect by speaking, not before it. Now let's talk about what you can do every day. Step 1. Talk to yourself in English. For example, if you're cooking, say, "Now I'm cutting vegetables." If you're going somewhere, say, "I'm going out now." It might feel funny at first, right? But this is the best way to train your brain to think in English. Step 2. Listen to more English. Watch movies, YouTube videos, or short clips. Don't just watch for fun. Repeat after them. Copy how they speak. Slowly, your tongue will get used to the sounds. Step 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So don't stop yourself. Just speak. Step 4. Believe in yourself. You can't speak fluently in one day, but if you speak every single day, even for 5 minutes, you'll improve faster than you think. So my friends, from today, stop thinking, start speaking, and watch your confidence grow. I guess you guys got my point, right? But if not, watch this video again. I'm sure it'll help you. And at the end, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share, and hit the like button. Okay, everyone, see you in the next video. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and have a great day.